Hello everyone, friends on Calvo. Today I'm going to show how to fix error code 7 on Steam. First you need to try the cache of the built-in browser. Go in for the settings. Let's go into in the game. Next here we need to delete the data of the web browser respectively built in. Here we click delete and click accept. That's it. Next, if that doesn't work, then ask for DNS settings. Write a search. Search in Windows and CMD. Open and write two commands here in turn, ipconfig plus DNS. Yes. Enter iNext winsock reset. Press enter. That's it. But this command will only allow you to run if you run CMD through the administrator. Right-click Run as administrator. That's it. Next, you can of course look at your internet connection, that is the connection. Go to adapters, internet adapters, right-click on your adapter, properties, select IP version 4 properties, and use the DNS of Google or Cloudflare, whichever helps. Specifically, this is Google 8888888844 and press OK. That's it. If you have a VPN, try disabling the VPN, turning on the VPN, see if that's the point. We also look accordingly. The Steam server status is mandatory. That's it. And as you can see, I am doing well at the moment. But as you can see, there are such things as complete failures in Steam. These are the moments, of course, you will have an error code. Walla was with you. Goodbye, everyone.